Now, we visited Luciano's shop. There still was a ton of snow around. You could see it's everywhere. But on the ride up there, we took the 650 up there to fight the snow. Made it up there. The whole objective of going on this ride was I wanted to give Luciano a hand fixing his Ducati tank. It had a pinhole in it, and we used Stay Brite silver solder to fix it. Now, you think it makes a kind of a cobbly, ugly, like a well does, that can be buried in Bondo, but it is one way to fix a tank if you really have no other resource to do it, or if you don't want to pour that epoxy sealer in. Stay Brite silver solder is one way to fix a pinhole in a tank. Now on this snowy day, we are still waiting for all the snow to melt, but we're going to head up and see Luciano's monster, progress he made on his monster. Some of the recent projects we did on this. Wow, that is really nice. And these are real Rizoma parts, right?
It's a real gold.
Yeah, real gold, yes. And my teeth are real gold too.
I didn't buy expensive, so it's just
money is no object. Just charge more for the pizza when you make it. Wow, that came out nice.
Yeah, I got a brackets for the muffler.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Boy, those guys in the Ducati club are gonna love you. Wow, you're the real deal.
Yeah.
Now, I brought some stuff up with me to try to fix your gas tank. Let's see if it works.
Okay.
If it doesn't work, same price.
Yeah, the aluminum bracket bolted in the back.
Okay.
But they didn't match the hole on the bracket.
Oh.
So he drilled a second hole.
Ah!
Jesus. What a jackass.
Oh, Jesus.
You can buy this any size you want.
Yeah, of course, of course.
Yeah.
I could have made that for you out of
can
aluminum.
move up and down.
Yeah, I made that for the R1.
So people's
This I know you bought, yeah. But the motor came out pretty nice.
Yeah.
And you got a spare motor now, so.
I got spare motor, yeah.
Well, I'm dying to polish up a motor and put it in the living room one day when Karen's away. You see how to strip the paint off the gas tank. Now what happened, this gas tank has a pinhole here. We're going to try to fix it. Scrape it if you can, get it all
Oh,
off.
it's soft.
Yeah, I know, but you got to get it perfectly clean.
It's a yards after 1 hour.
And we got to sand it by hand just a little bit. It's got to be perfectly clean.
I'm going to grind it.
Now, I want to show everybody, because anybody who doesn't know about Stay Brite, the name of this solder is Stay Brite. You could buy it in any hobby shop. This is what I used to make gas tanks for model planes with. And this solder melts at it's 410 degrees, not 700. So it's for a job. We're going to try it. Maybe it won't even work, but we're going to try it. And of course, he's got a spare Ducati engine, right? That'll fit right in my living room, you know. Yeah. Look, you could put the drinks. You could put a shot glass in the coffee. Oh, you're some guy, baby. That's going to look good on my coffee table.
I was looking for a particular...
Chuck's gas tank for his Honda with Caswell. Oh, that seemed to work pretty good. What'd you do? Hang yourself with a Dremel tool? Oh, Jesus. Suicide by Dremel tool here. Yeah. Gotta be clean. Step one, gotta be clean. Of course, this we're not for sure if this is going to work yet, but what we did, we used the heat gun.
James Bond.
We used the heat gun to heat the part because this has to go to 400 degrees. Then put some Stay Brite flux on it, and the soldering iron, well, hopefully it did the job. Now, I sure don't want to put a map gas torch on that. Not with gas in it. If there's one drop of gas in it, it could ruin your whole day.
Yeah.
And there's no real guarantee this is going to work because we basically, and it's an ugly, it looks ugly, but as long as it stops the leak, I guess the choice would be you could file it a little bit, Bondo over it. He's got to repaint the tank anyway, so. And it's the only part of the bike right now that needs to be finished. This flux is actually sulfuric acid. So on this Stay Brite solder, Stay Brite's silver solder. So this neutralizes the acid, which we've done, and now Luciano's going to test it. And if it doesn't work, it's off to eBay to buy a gas tank. Oh my God, how many fuel lines you got on this thing?
Look about the weird thing in Ducati. You put a fuel peacock here, and why? I just
why?
I don't know why. I have to go back to Italy and
just straighten them out. Yeah.
Go to the Ducati factory and give us some ideas to
how to make a good
guys.
Pizza pie with extra pepperoni.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some gas. I'm gonna tilt it.
Yeah, let's check it. Let's see.
Yeah.
Now, the one thing I could say is if you do this, if you have no gas in the tank, or if you do it with a torch, good luck. Do it outside, not in your house, and ruin your whole day. Now, what is that? A Ducati petcock? What is that?
This was missing.
This turns it on and off? I never saw
On
that.
off.
Wow.
It stays open all the time.
Oh my God.
Stays open in case you need to remove the gas tank. You shut this off.
Okay. Yeah.
I was thinking about they are the hose connected to the part because this part has a threads. So they feed the hose with the clamp. Freaking butchers. I told Nicole, I use sleep at night. She said,
so you buy this for $180, and then the gasket, they don't even give you the gasket, it's $5 extra.
$5 for the gasket.
Wow.
It's a total rip-off, I think.
Wow. This is the official Ducati pliers. If you have a toothache, or you got to put your fuel pump on.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay. And what? This is just the vents, right?
Just
so
the
you
vents.
just have to fix.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we can test it. Same 5-gallon can you used on the scooter.
Yeah.
Well. Well, you got enough gas in there. If it's not leaking now, I guess you're okay.
No, the gas was coming out from there.
But I would still say put it outside overnight. I wouldn't put it in the house and come back in the morning and,
okay.
You know, forget that.
I'm gonna go take this to the body shop for a nice custom paint. If that is still leaks, it ruins my paint. I'm gonna pay with you.
If it was me, I'd ride the bike about a year before I put the paint back on this.
No, it seems to be okay.
Yeah, it looks okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna file a little bit, not that much, and
don't make yourself crazy.
Yeah.
If it holds, great. If it doesn't hold, I'll give you the check back.
I save $150.
150?
That guy
You
tried
could do
to
20s. In fact, I'll take 50s.
The older body tried to charge me $150. I said, what?
Yes, but the thing is, this will not work great if you use plumbing solder. It only is going to work if you use Stay Brite. Stay Brite is that because it's 400. You can't make this 700. It's a problem.
Yeah, because I got this one here. I don't know if it's the same.
No, that's plumbing solder. The shit you buy in Home Depot.
Stuff,
Let me see. Yeah, see where you can tell. You just squeeze it like that. You can tell it's plumbing solder.
This I used to use it for electronics.
Yeah. No, I think that's going to be fine. And boy, you can't beat the price. I'll tell you that price is unbelievable. It says you got to get more toys. You got no more toys to play with here.
I'm done buying bikes.
You're done buying. I've heard this before. He's got a bike for sale, you know.
This one's the old one.
Oh, and another $180.
Yeah.
Holy mackerel! I'll tell you, you got to have a money tree when you buy these old bikes. That seat comes out nice. Wow. Wow, I know the guy that did that seat. Wow.
Yeah.
How many of them you got? They're having babies here or what? Wow.
This easy one. It looks like the tube that they use in the offices.
Yeah.
It
Right.
goes inside the air.
Yeah.
Right?
You need more toys.
Yeah.
You know what? If you have enough toys, you stay young. When you don't have enough toys,
Yeah.
you turn into Farmer Brown. Texas, the guy had left the oil cooler on it.
Yeah.
Oh, Morgan never gets the oil cooler when he buys a motor. Hey,
You see the
Mark.
top of this? You see the
What?
top of this?
Nah, I didn't see it. I already took care of neutralizing the acid. And if you don't, by the way, if you don't neutralize Stay Flux acid with baking soda, this will be corroded when you come back in the morning.
Yeah, don't forget this when you go.
No, I don't need it back. I brought a few.
I got no use for
It's
that.
your Christmas present. I'm not buying you another Ducati for Christmas. Here's my next good idea. I told Karen she loves the idea. She's got a big coffee table in the living room. We'll take off all the plants and all her statues and everything. And we're going to polish up a Ducati motor. I'll polish it all up, chrome plate it, make it look beautiful. Put it up on her coffee table when she's out shopping. External, so that's nice.
The oil pump is by the cover.
Okay.
And
This reminds me of the day we took Glenn's ST engine out in the garage. And put it in the baby's wagon.
It's the same motor.
No, his was water cooled. I mean, a water pump was
Oh,
thinging
you're right.
away.
You're right. It's
Yeah.
really cool.
Yeah. The 740, another. Now, could you take the whole thing and make one water cooled that's air cooled? You got a water cooled, an
You
air
can
cooled
actually
one?
fit that motor on. In
You
the
could
Monster
swap
frame.
them.
It's exactly the same.
Okay.
The only thing, I don't know if you got room for the radiator
Yeah.
or the other air ball.
You see where the countershaft sprocket goes? When Glenn got the ST, we brought it down my garage. Funny story. And we looked at the countershaft sprocket. It was a 17 tooth with 16 teeth. It had a tooth missing.
A tooth missing.
A tooth missing. It had a tooth missing. Glenn will even tell you. It's very funny. So now, I got to understand something. Now, I know, we're both ready to be certified and crazy. How many screwdrivers do you think you need? How long do you think you're going to live?
I don't know, probably
Morgan
50,
doesn't have this many screwdrivers.
50,
Look at all these
60,
screwdrivers.
20 bucks in eBay.
$20 for 100 screwdrivers.
They are at least 50.
Oh,
At least
50.
Easy
Oh
50.
my God, 40 cents a screwdriver.
Okay, the picker, this is one for you.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. You forget.
For your nose.
Yeah. Take the nose hairs out and everything. These are good.
Yeah.
These are good.
They're good quality, actually.
Yeah.
They're much better
Oh,
than...
Jegs is good. Yeah, they like drag race and stuff.
Yeah.
But I'm not going to live that long that I need 40, 50 screwdrivers.
Well, you can never have enough.
You
tools.
can never have enough. You can never have enough Ducati seats. This man is beyond sanity. Look at this stuff he's got.
3 seats, only one ass.
Oh, we got to find a way to solder on an extra ass so we could ride two bikes at
My
once.
ass bigger so I can use it. Fine.
I think it's going to be fine. But anyway, if we're on our way to Perry's and the gas tank leaks and Jose catches fire,
I better find out now because if it, if I go in some place, the gas is gonna pour all over. I'm gonna be stuck there.
Now I got an idea for you. If this ever leaks again, backmask the paint here.
Yeah.
Okay, and then now I was going to say, that stuff with the teeth,
Yeah.
the traction, you could put that right over it.
Yeah. I have to strip all the.
Yeah. No, you can't do it. What I thought you could, but I was wrong.
Everything was melted here.
Yeah.
It went to the clear.
And this is you're using a Rust-Oleum, right? This is Rust-Oleum?
No, this is a.
Or real car paint? Oh, that's the stuff you painted your car with.
Yeah, it's the same brand.
That's real paint. Okay.
Wiper red.
Oh. All right, so that tank is fixed. Stay Brite solder, available from Brodac.com. Actually, any hobby shop has it, but that is good stuff. It's getting cold and snowy out there. Be a nice ride home. It's time for the hottest cup of coffee you can make, Mrs. Ertnowski. Luciano's gas tank is fixed, but I need hot coffee. It was really getting cold at the end of this day. Anyway, we did get it. It's a really good tip. Stay Brite solder is something all the models use, and looks like you can use it to fix a gas tank. We'll see as the summer plays out. Well, the Stay Brite solder held for years, and what Luciano did is buried it in Bondo eventually, and did a little cosmetic work, repainted the tank, and it's still on the bike years later. So Stay Brite does offer you one choice. If you don't have anything else, I'd say it's one way you could keep a tank from leaking, and then you've got to figure out how you're going to do your cosmetic work. But like every visit, and by the way, this FZR has a similar repair to it, but every repair is different, and the more choices you have, and certainly Stay Brite solder is a good product. And thanks so much for watching.